Okay, we will start Dhamma talk. So before giving in talk, we will pay respect to Buddha by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Yesterday we have taught 4 elements, 5 translucency, rupas, 5 objects. So those are discerning rupas.
Kemarin kita sudah bahas mengenai translucensi mata.
So we are teaching 20 rupas. Now we finish 4 elements, 5 translucency, 5 objects. After that, need to discern Hadaya Vatu, heart base.
Melihat hadewatu, landasan jantung.
So, if you want to discern that, you should incline your mind towards the heart. So that this materiality is arising in the heart. So, into the heart there is blood. This materiality arising in the blood. So just you incline there, trying to approach. So there are some klabas, small particles, functioning as a base of a mind, as a base of a mental factor. So you should note that it is a heart base. Next one is Ati Bhava or Atindriya, female sex rupa. It is in the female's body, everywhere in the body. So something different from male. We don't have a man and woman, but we have elements. So females' bodily movement, way of speaking. So all these are something different from male. So this rupa is known by mind. It is not visible object. So you should try to see your body. So there are many klabas. This klaba is not transparent. It is opaque, showing it as a female, different from male. So you should note that it is Ati Bhava Rupa. So just a kind of element. Next one is Purisa Bhava Rupa, male sex rupa. It is in the male's body, showing it as a male, something different from female. So it is known by knowledge, to be understood. So after holding this understanding, you should try to see your body, should note, it is Purisa Bhava Rupa. Next one is Jivita or Jividendriya. Jividendriya is a life faculty. So it is in the whole body. So we can see our body, something different from that body, because of this rupa, being impressed, protecting. So it is a life faculty. We say it is a life. So we recite a Banadi Pada. Pana. Pana is if we say as a concept, it is a being. As a ultimate reality, it is this rupa, life faculty. It is called Bana. Banadi Pada is a Bana Adipada. Adipada means to fall down quickly, to fall down faster, to drop down faster. To drop down the life faster, if it means killing. So, also means every life, although you kill or not kill, it will die. So, killing is just you make it faster to go. So, it is a Bana Adipada. To make, to drop down the life faster. So it means a killing. So life faculty is just a kind of rupa in your body. Especially those are in the heat, in the body heat, and wind mostly have. So you can see your flesh is something different from that body. So, but life faculty is to be known by knowledge. So you should have a concentration. After that, you should try to see. So in a transparent klapa, so every klapa have a jivita rupa. If it is opaque, some have, some not have. So if you are healthy, a lot of this rupa. If you are not healthy, if you are older, this one will be less and less. So you may see some older people, so their body parts, so not so fresh. Means this rupa is lesser. So it is produced by karma, supported by food, weather, and the mind. So the real mother is karma. So weather, food, and mind is adopted mother or supporting mother. So it is in the whole body. So we say that it is alive. So many people take this materiality, take this one as a very important. But it is the same as some other element, arising and perishing. Arising and perishing. So every day losing, every second, we are losing this life faculty. We have a limited, this rupa is limited. So every day we are losing. After some days, so this one will finish. Once this materiality was gone from the body is no more useful. So become dead body. So people will not keep a long time in their house or send it to cemetery. So after death, chicken and pig more valuable than human body. So if a chicken, they may put it into the refrigerator, but if it is a human, so they were sent to cemetery quickly, within one day, or like that. So, yeah, because of this materiality we have, so we still okay, seem to be useful, people may accept, because of this materiality protect our body. So you don't need to be in the refrigerator, still being fresh. So this materiality is protecting our body, not to be rotten, not to be rotten. So it is a life faculty. It is called life. So it is just a kind of element. Every day we are losing. Every time losing. So because of this, the Buddha said life is no essence, not really useful because of everyday losing. Essence means it is very useful, can stay a long time. It means essence. But this one is not like that. Everyday losing. So because of this, if you want to take essence from the life, so you should practice nature, impermanence, by seeing life faculty. So because of this, wise people, by relinquishing life, they may practice sila. So they may not break a sila for the life. So sila is more stable than life. So because of this, wise people, noble people, they are trying to hold sila by giving life. So for the normal people, for the life, they will break sila. So it is different. So because of this, we need to discern this life faculty. It is just a kind of element. It is not me, not mine. It is not my soul. So it is always losing. It is suffering, have a lot of danger. So we should not love that. We should not attach to it. So there is one sutta, Mahasuddhasana Sutta. Mahasuddhasana Sutta. The Buddha taught in the near death. So in the Kusinarama place. So when the Buddha went there for Prinnibbana, for passing away into Prinnibbana, Bhanayananda told the Blessed One, the Buddha, so not to pass away into Prinnibbana here. This is just a small town. So should do Prinnibbana in a big city like Savatthi, Rajagaha. There are many devotees who are strong, so they will bear respect. They will puja the Buddha a lot. So at that time, the Buddha told Bhanayananda, you should not say this place as a small city. So in the past, there is Mahasuddhasana king as a Chakkawati king, universal monarch. So the whole world, only one king. So he had many ratana, jewels. So like an elephant also can fly. So horse also have a Chakra Ratana, a kind of machine which can fly in the sky like an aeroplane. But an aeroplane is too high. So Chakra Ratana flying is under the very big tree, above the small tree. You can touch flowers by staying in there. So it is wide. So Chakravarti king can go with that together with his group. So people are seeing that. It is also called Chakra-ratana, a kind of jewel, a kind of gem. So once a Bodhisattva become king, have to take shower, have to take upasthana. He has to reflect his kusala. After that, this machine appear based on his karma. So after that, he went East Island, West, South and North Island. He can go everywhere like an aeroplane. So small kings from everywhere welcome to the Chakravarti king. So means he can rule the whole world. So some people follow on that machine. So from the North Island, so those people stay in the Uttarakuru. So in India, so may have this name in the teaching have. So Uttarakuru. Uttarakuru is people, those people are coming in from North Island. So some people are following from the East Island. So those places called the Boba Videha. So some people are coming in from North Island. So those are Abra Goyana. So like that. It is not in the Mahasutra's time. Mandadu, Chakravarti king's time. So, Bodhisattva at that time, Mahasutrasana king. So he has this Chakra-ratana. So it can fly. Also, he has an elephant. Elephant is very fast. So the whole world, after turning, he can downtime he run can reach back before breakfast. So it means very fast. In the same way, the horse. So Chakra-ratana, elephant ratana, horse ratana. Next one is a ruby. Ruby, very bright. So like a kind of sunshine. People may think as a daytime, although it is a night. So if you put that gem into the water, water can be purifying the water. So because of this, people's faith is like that gem. So once you put a gem into the water becomes pure. In the same way, if we have a faith in our mind becomes clear, become pure. So we should do dana, we should do sila, we should do kusala. So faith. So we have to meditate 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So if we have a faith, our mind is pure, wishing to do. So we may be tired, but the mind is clear because of faith. So if we don't have a faith, after sitting 30 or 40 minutes, oh, this job is very tired, like that. In the same way, if we don't have a faith, if we cannot eat dinner, cannot have a dinner, so some people get angry when you do that. So because they don't believe. So because of this, sometimes say faith is like such a gem, so can make the mind to be clear. So gem also a kind of retina of Chakravarti. So Chakravarti, horse, elephant, and gem. Next one is a rich man. Rich man also a kind of retina. A kind of retina. So he has a divine eye, not because of practice. He has a Deva Chakra. So not because of practice, because of karma. It is born. It is because of king's karma and his karma together. But after king passed away, this ability is disappeared. So with this eye, he can see until a certain area. So where there is property, like a golden pot or like that, into the earth, he can see some gold or properties, valuable properties with his eye. So he reported to the king, you rule the country peacefully, you enjoy the kingship, I will support as a wealth, as a rich man. So Chakravarti is this kind of king. No need to earn money for the country. Rich man will support. Also, another one is Parinayaka Ratana, the eldest son. Chakravarti can have a lot of sons, so but the eldest son is a kind of ratana, a kind of jewel, a kind of gem. So he also have a kind of psychic power, prachaita vijanana, knowing others' mind. So it is not because of practice, because of karma. So can know other people's mind, like a deva. So deva can know, can see others based on their karma. So he can read followers of a king. So by reading who is good, who is bad, he can manage people. He reported to the king, please enjoy your kingship. So I will support for the management. So no need to worry. So his son, eldest son, have this ability. So next one is wife. Ratana. Wife gem. So his wife is very beautiful, more than human, and less than deva. So that lady, for some Chakravarti king coming from northern island, for some Chakravarti king coming in from Madrid. Madrid is Madaraja king. Madaraja king. So Madaraja country. So in that country there are many beautiful ladies. and the place of Babawati, like that. So means in that country there is king clans. In that king clan producing a lot of beautiful lady. So it is the place of Babawati, the place of Chula Subhadra. So in the Chatanda Jataka. So in that king clan there is a beautiful lady. So Chakravarti king's wife is coming from that king clan. Very beautiful, more than human, less than near to the Deva. So near to the Deva. If the weather is cold, body is hot. If the weather is hot, body is cooling, like that. So the mouth have a lotus smell. Lotus smell. So always asking, what should I do for you? Like that. Maybe different. Maybe different from you or what? So your wife may say, don't you get up? No. Maybe you don't have a good karma. So, but this Bodhisattva's wife is always asking King Chakravarti, what should I do? So, what should I do for you? May sleep later. Later means, first of all, may do fanning for the king, supporting, massaging, preparing seat, preparing bed, like that. May sleep late, and may wake up earlier. So it is, so can come down Chakravarti king's mind, like that. So it is 80 Ratana. So woman gem, like that. So Chakravarti have 7 gem. So it is mainly because of king's karma. Yeah. So Mahasurajana king is a Bodhisattva. So after the king passed away, all these ability disappeared. Some are passed away together. Some are disappeared. So like that. So this is a gem. So it is a gem in the worldly life. So in the Ratana Sutta, so as a religion, so Buddha is a gem, Buddha Ratana, Dhamma Ratana, Sangha Ratana. It is a supra-mundane gem. So Chakravarti is a gem, Ratana is mundane gem. So the definition of gem, Ratana is, one definition is Chaitikata. Gem is respectable. So because of respectable, it is called gem. So gems are respectable. Those elephants, horse, rubies, those are, you need to keep in a respectable way. By singing them, so people will respect. Once Chakra-ratana appear, people didn't bear respect, trees and devas, only they bear respect. Those Chakra-ratana. This is a mundane ratana. In the same way, once the Buddha Dhamma Sangha appear, people will not bear respect. The others, like a deva or trees or mountain, previously people may bear respect. Some are paying respect to mountain. Some are paying respect to tree. So, but once Buddha Dhamma Sangha appear, all knowledgeable people pay respect to Buddha Dhamma Sangha. Even in Devas, Brahmas, like that. So, jam means respectable. If it is respectable, it is a jam. So next one is Mahaka, very valuable. So the nature of jam is valuable, even mundane or supramundane. So even gold and silver, people say it is a gem. So those are, although it is a small thing, it is valuable. So in the same way, Chakka Ratana, Iti Ratana, Asa Ratana, so horse gem, woman gem, all these are valuable. So for the Buddha Dhamma Sangha, valuable means, although you do very a little kusala, a kind of flower, a cup of water, if you offer to the Buddha Dhamma Sangha, you will have a lot of benefit. So it is valuable. Because of this, having interest by jam is valuable. Next one is Atula. Atula is peerless. Peerless. Peerless means no comparable. So people cannot make artificial jam. Artificial is artificial. Not the same value. So not really the same. So in the same way, when Buddha Dhamma Sangha appear, so Devadatta want to be Buddha, Devadatta want to teach some Dhamma, but cannot compare. So the Buddha Dhamma Sangha is peerless. In the same way, Chakravartis against properties like a horse, elephant, those are peerless. Because of this, those are jam. Those are jam. So, next one is Donlapa Dasana. It is not easy to see, not easy to meet. Jewelries are not easy to see. Not everyone's property. Not another everyone's eye. So it is not easy to see, difficult to get. So Buddha Dhamma Sangha, this is a gem also. After fulfilling a Bharami, very long time can be Buddha Dhamma Sangha, not easy to see. So only those who has a good karma, so have a chance to see Buddha, to listen to Dhamma, to accumulate a kusala in a Sangha. So those are jam. So the nature of jam is Donlapa Dasana. Difficult to get those to see. Next one is Anoma Satta Priboga. Gems are the use of high-class people. Gems are the use of high-class people. So those properties like Chakra-ratana, horse-ratana, elephant-ratana, not for everyone's. Those are very great, looks very good. So only for those who has good karma, like a bodhisattva. So in the same way, Buddha Dhamma Sangha. So those are cannot be used for by everyone, only high class people. So now you have a chance to pay attention, to see Buddha, to practice Dhamma because of some karma. At least you must be able to stay with the morality, not killing, not stealing, not telling lie. Those people only can use Buddha, can get a jhana, can get a megaphala nibbana. So Buddha Dhamma Sangha is to be used for the high class people. In the Buddha time, only Eka Savaka, Mahasavaka, they can use. The other people cannot use. Even now, so to practice a Dhamma, so you have to practice a Sila. You have to be able to practice a Sila. So some people are killing, stealing. Those people may not be able to practice in this way. So those are not high-class people. So high-class people means they have a wisdom, have a morality. So those people are, according to spiritual life, they are high-class. So the nature of a jewel is the use of high-class people. So next definition, the nature of jewel is Rati Janana, can make happiness. So if you have jewels, if your mind is not happy, you may open your box. So trying to see jewels. So after happy, you put it back. So valuable things can make the mind happy. This is the nature of a Ratana, the nature of a gem. The same way, Chakkawadikins, Chakkaratana, you see, will be happy. In the same way, horse, elephant, those are special. So bodily appearance, they are very beautiful and strong, have a lot of ability. If you see that, you will be happy. This is the nature of gem. So in the same way, 80 Ratana, more than human, little bit less than Deva. So if you go and see, you will be happy. So in the same way, supramundane gem, Buddha. So like a bandit Wakali, always wishing to stay near the Buddha, always seeing that. So for him, it is enough. He don't want to practice, he just wish to see Buddha. So and like that, because of this, near the Buddha, many devas coming, many people are coming. So the Buddha's appearance can make the person happy. In the same way, Dhamma. So you practice a Sila, you have to wake up early morning. So cannot eat dinner, but still happy. So like that, this is the nature of Dhamma. So if you get a jhana, you are sitting alone, maybe under a tree. Other people seem to be boring, but you will be happy in your mind. You may sit for a long time, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So in the mind, happy. So it is the nature of a gem, can make the mind happy. So Mahasudrasana can have this kind of gem. So his balance is very great. So his city is very great. So the Buddha told Bani Ananda, you should not say this place is a small place. In the past, so in that sutta, many great things mentioned about his palace, about his city, like a lake, flowers, trees. So all are great in that place. So he also stronger than other people, long life, more handsome. So people wish to see Mahasudrasana king. Mahasudrasana king is like a father. People are like a son. They love each other. So people wish to support Mahasudarshana. Mahasudarshana also, he managed the country, do a lot of donation. So the city is a very enjoyable things. Also very long life at that time. So he also have a kind of hall with the panacales. So after sometimes he wished to meditate. So he wished to meditate. So there is one hall decorated many jewels. So once he go into the gate. So what he said is, sensual thought, leave here. So you should practice that way. So in this gate, sensual thought, leave here. Kama Vitaka, you leave here, not to follow to meditation hall. Vihimsa Vitaka, harmful thought, you leave here. Vyabhada Vitaka, ill-will thought, you leave here. So after that he go into meditation hall. He practices kasina. So for the kala object, his meditation hall is decorated with many jewels. Yellow color jewel also have red color, white color, black color. So by seeing those, he can practice kasina. He also got jhana. So he also got jhana. So he practiced in this way. He is a king, but he's still practicing. So he has attainment of jhana, but no vipassana. It is not in the Buddha time. He is a bodhisattva. So also he reflect why he gain this kind of glory. So what he said is one thing is because of dana. Another thing is because of his sila. So next one is dhamma, wisdom. Because of dana, because of sila, because of wisdom, he got this glory. So his past karma is also you need to know. So his past karma is he support one bhikkhu staying in the forest. So he make a dwelling. So because of this, he got this balance. Also he make a pond. Also his palace, near the palace also have a pond. So palm tree, planted a palm tree. But he offering in time, not big, offering in time a lot. But when it produce a result, so many, so it is the nature of a kusala. So he offer food, just one bhikkhu staying in the forest. He offer dwelling, he offer food, pond, palm tree. So some other properties like a walking stick. So because of those properties, he has many slaves, many slaves, many workers. So because of walking stick, also supporting people. So yeah, it is. You can read in the Mahasudarasana Sutta. So how he support forest bhikkhu practitioner, he gained this glory. So his palace and cities are very great. Followers are very great. Also he have 7 gems, also long life. So after a long time, so he got sick. So his wife, queen, with the followers, come to him, trying to approach him to pay respect. So at that time, by seeing king, the queen understood because of the face very clear. So very clear. So more than normal. So at that time, she understand that near to pass away. So if someone is near to pass away, so face is clear. Have this saying. So Kim Bhimbisara also quite the same, especially maybe practitioners. So very clear. Yeah, have this saying. So if someone say your face is very clear, you may need to be careful. So at that time, so the queen mentioned, you have a Chakaratana. It is a very great. It is a very, very great. You should not abandon your desire to enjoy that. Please take care of your life. So after that, she mentioned another thing. You have an elephant gem. You should not abandon desire. You keep desire to enjoy. You take care of your life. In this way, she said one after another, like a 7 gem. You have a great balance. Please have a desire to enjoy. Take care of your life. So in this way, she mentioned properties one after another. So at that time, the King Sudarshana said, so the whole life you have said very nicely for me. Why in this time you say something uncomfortable? So if so, how should I say? So you have a Chakaratana. So please abandon your desire. Next one is a bit need to say carefully, not to attach to your life. So another thing, you have a palace. Please abandon your desire to enjoy, not to attach your life. Separation from the beloved ones and things, it is for everyone. It is usual. Attaching into the to their life, attaching into the life. If someone die, it is blamable. Blamable. It is a suffering. It is a suffering. By attaching, by attaching in things and life, if someone die, it is a blamable. It is a suffering. So have this saying. So it is something different from people's saying. So people are like that. If someone is near to die, please hold it. Please hold it not to die. So, but you cannot say to die. So you need to say carefully. If you say to die, it is dangerous. If a bhikkhu, you need to disrobe. It is supporting in to die. So cannot. But not attached to the life. It is another. Dying with attachment is a suffering. So it is okay. So not saying you die. So death with attachment is a suffering, is a blamable. So not to attach to the life, it is okay. So it is like a vipassana practice. So we practice even life faculty. It is a suffering. It is a nature. It is not to attach. Not mean. Better you die. So this is kind of saying you need to say very carefully. And so you cannot say someone to die. So, but it is okay not to touch to the properties, to the life. So Mahasurasana teach the queen how to say. So previously the whole life you say is very good, but this time what you say is to be sad. You should change. You have a property, this is gem. Please remove your desire. Not to attach to life. Death with attachment is a suffering and blamable. So after that, mention another one, say the same way. So after that, the queen with the tears have to say. So it is something sad story. So death with attachment is blamable. Blamable by who? Blamable by Buddha, Pajika Buddha, Buddha's disciple. If we die with attachment, so those people can reborn in that house as a dog, as a cow, or beta, as a dog, as a chicken. So how to say bed back? A kind of insects in the cloth can reborn like that. So in the Buddha time, there is one bhikkhu. So his robe is not good. Because of this, his sister arranged a very good robe. After that, offer his brother Bhikkhu. So brother Bhikkhu trying to wear, but before wearing, he passed away with attachment to the robe. So he reborn, how to say, lice. Huh? Yeah, may say a kind of insect, a kind of lice staying on the robe. So if a bhikkhu passed away, bhikkhu's property is to be shared or sangha. So at that time, bhikkhus are trying to share this robe, maybe by lot or by senior may share. But the Buddha stopped. Please not yet share, because that bhikkhu is there. So as a lies, he will be very sad. He will be very sad and may reborn in a bad destination. So even in the robes, the monks' robes, so if we die with attachment, so can reborn like that. Because of this, death with attachment is suffering. It is blamable. Blamable. So properties are something useful if you are wise, but also dangerous. Because of this, whenever we use properties, we have to reflect. Padisankha, Yoniso, Jivaram, Padisewami, etc. So it is something useful. We cannot stay without those properties, but we should not attach to it. So because of this, the Buddha always teaching how to eat, how to wear clothes, how to use dwelling, how to use medicine. So have to reflect whenever you use, not to have attachment. So with attachment, if we die, so it is not good condition. It is a suffering. It is a blamable. May reborn as a dog, as a cow, as a buffalo, as a chicken, as a lice, as a bed bug. So because of this, properties are something useful, something dangerous. We have to earn, we have to do jobs a lot to get properties. So if we attach, with attachment, if we die, so those properties were sent in a bad destination. So because of this, Mahasudarshana, as a Bodhisattva, he teaches his queen, yeah, you have this property, please remove desire, not to attach to your life. Attachment, death with attachment is a suffering. Separation from beloved ones and things is for everyone. So the way he teaches in this way. So because of this, we have a life difficulty in our body. So we should not occupy, this is our life. This is just a kind of element. It is impermanence, it is a suffering, it is a non-self. So we need to discern. So for the Mahasudarshana king, after the queen is saying, after soon, so he passed away. As the practitioner, he reborn in the Brahma realm. So Mahasudarshana king's city is very great. very enjoyable, but now no more. So the Buddha want to show that, want to show to Bani Ananda. So the Buddha passed away in that place. So it is maybe seventh time. He has been in there as a Chakravati king already 6 times. This time as a Buddha it is the 7th time. So because of this, the Buddha passed away into Prinibbana there, and teach Surasana Sutta, make Bani Ananda to understand. So the nature of the world is like that. How great you are. So whatever property you have, whatever nice people you have, so separation from beloved ones and things, it is for everyone. So we have life, we have properties, we have a good association, but one day we will be separate from those. So because of this, we have to practice a vipassana to remove attachment. Okay, time is up. We should stop here. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Okay, we will share merit. Idame punyam Nibbanasa Pachayo Hodu Mama punya bhagam Sava satanam Pajemi Tesabe Nesamam Punya bhagam Lavandu Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.